The vast majority of people still think that dogs and cats can't live together. But many homes have both cats and dogs as pets, and they live together happily. An old urban legend says that cats and dogs fight every time they meet. But keep in mind that you should be careful in case things go wrong between the two of them. Here are some ideas for getting your two pets to get along. Time to eat. Make sure that each of their bowls is placed far away from the others and alone. One of the main reasons cats and dogs fight is that one of them might think the other is trying to steal their food. One of them has to know who gets to eat first because that shows who is in charge. To make things easier, the cat's bowl is on the counter and the dog's bowl is on the floor. When they eat this way, they don't touch their noses. Time for a bath. Cats don't need baths because they can clean themselves, but you shouldn't let your dog run around the house right after a bath. You may have seen that after getting a bath, dogs were very lively. As they run all over the area, they start running into things. They will bother the cat no matter what it is doing if they see it. If your dog can't move, like when they have canine DM, keep them in a small area and make sure they don't move. Use this time to dry them. Sleep time. Dogs are usually busy during the day, while cats spend most of the day sleeping. Even if you give them a small bed or mat to sleep on, cats usually just sleep wherever they want. Give your dog a bed of its own. Because it could start a fight, teach your dog not to go near the cat while it's sleeping. Dogs who spend a lot of time lying around because of conditions like DM in dogs will enjoy being with a cat. Game time. If you have kids, they will probably like the dog better than the cat. Cats like to sleep close to you and cuddle up, while dogs are more active and love to go on walks. Cats can also be active and responsive if you give them toys like feathers, rubber mice, and scratching posts. Be careful when you throw the toy around, especially if there is a dog nearby because the cat could accidentally scratch the dog. Create an escape route for your cat. When meeting a new dog, it's important that your cat or kitten has a way to get away or can run away and hide if she wants to. A vet who specializes in animal psychology, Christopher Patchell DVM, told WebMD Pets that you should give your cat places to hide that aren't on the ground, like cubbies and places to perch. So the cat can stop and rest when it needs to. You want an elevated place to rest. Keep a close eye on your pup. Professor Catherine A. Hoopt told WebMD Pets that because dogs are made to chase moving things, there is a good chance that fighting will start when a cat and a dog meet for the first time. Hoopt says that if your cat runs away when it gets upset, your dog would probably feel honor-bound to chase it. So keep a close eye on your dog, and if she starts to chase other dogs, Hoopt says you should cut that off at the pass. During the getting to know you phase, don't be afraid to keep your dog on a leash or harness to protect the kitty. Take that intro slow. Animal Planet says that a slow, supervised introduction is the best way to make sure that everything stays peaceful over time since cats are naturally territorial and don't like change very much. Also, remember that it could take your cat and dog anywhere from a few days to a few weeks to get used to each other. At first, it might be best to keep your animals in different parts of the house and give them a place to get to know each other, like a separate room. Spend a lot of time alone with each of them, give them lots of love and treats, and keep your voice calm and soft the whole time. Animal Planet suggests having short meetings in a neutral area and getting to know each other more and more as time goes on. Don't rush through the process, instead, be careful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.